Remember that calabrese I cut the other day? Well, they're growing rather nicely, the baby ones. So fingers crossed for a second batch there. I've just taken that one from there as a... See, I can't see any growing on there. Is there? Oh yeah, there's one there though. But this one's just about going over. Caught this one just in time, I think. Just about to start blowing, so fantastic. Right, let's go see what else I can harvest for tonight's tea. I've got a cheese and onion pie. So, a couple of things. Radish are coming up alright. I'm not going to do this direct sowing like this again, I don't think. It's just a bit too awkward. I think I need to do a bit of weeding in there. I'll get the strimmer. I've been doing so much work on the other plot, see? I can hear it, but I can't see it. There he goes. Right, this is where I took the peas up the other day. Brussels sprouts are they've benefited from being sheltered inside the peas, and now they're like hopefully big enough to withstand any attack. Still got to do this lot over here. Yeah, I'll take some of these now from my tea. Come back on Monday and get the rest of these. You can see now the pigeons are having a go at the top of them, look. See, now that they can land on it, they're on nibble of the leaves, but looks like they don't like eating the pods. So let's get a handful of those while I'm here. I can't wait to harvest these onions. They're bloody massive. The biggest I've ever grown, I think. And the carrots are coming along nicely as well. Not today though. Right, in the bales, beans in the bales. I got some at home anyway. So need some runners in here, aren't they? Yeah, flowers but nothing. Cucumbers coming on nicely. Cucumbers doing better here than they are down there. But all the climbers are doing quite well now. Yep, over the top that one. To train him down again. Needs a good weeding. I must have a day up here. Dedicated day to this plot rather than the new plot. Let's have a quick look at the new plot from up here a minute. New plot. Let's stop calling it a new plot. Frog and toad. Oh. Speaking of which, any around? No. There we are. So, a bit of work done. Look, you can see the 4 trees in the corner. Just about here. Yeah. Good. Oh, loads of. Oh no, they're not all males, are they? Look, a male flower, female flower. So courgettes are flowering. Tomatoes are very slow with the tomatoes this year, very slow. Can only put it down to the cooler weather. I'll go back on my videos, and I'm sure this time last year they were above that green frame. But I've moved it, so it'll be a bit different. But yeah, most of these peas this side, I know what they are, so I'll be saving those for growing. I've already had quite a few harvested, so I'm not going to bother freeze any this year, I don't think. We'll see what they're like Monday, because there's still a few quite juvenile ones on here yet. So look, so yeah. Oh. So I'll be saving some of these, and I've got to... Now, we're getting sidetracked, Steve, hang on, let's get back up here. The sprinters, I think what's left of these now, I will be saving for seeds for next year. They're a lovely sweet tasting pea there. Speaking of sweet peas, I've told 4 different plot neighbours now to come and help yourselves to the sweet pea flowers. I just can't cut them fast enough. Madness. And look at this. Oh, you lavender. Look at some lavender cuttings. Look at this lavender, and it's spectacular. That's one plant. I can't even get it in. I've got to go into 0.6 magnification here. So yeah, that's one plant. I think it's because I pruned it hard and it's really come up. But that's a French lavender, and the little dumpy one next to it is English lavender. So I'm going to get some cuttings of these. The French one, I think, because it's quite an architectural plant, isn't it? Yeah, again, that's for Monday, so make a note of that one, Steve. And we come around, big bit of weeding, lots of cutting and pruning and things like that. Right, let's get off home. Then just a mini haul then. Calabrese Marathon, peas, I'm pretty sure they're Hurst Greenshaft, cherry bell radishes, and a couple of broad beans out of the straw bales. That'll do. Veg for tonight. Do you remember the other day when I said it's a bit strange that I've got white runner, white runner, white runner, red runner, white runner, and the other side's all red? Well, look at this. Here's my Greek Gigantes beans at home with the white flowers, and there's a red one there. Do you think I may have got them mixed up somehow? Okay then, here we go. It's going to take a while. These are the Kelvedon Wonder, so let's get on with it. No easy way of doing this, really, is there? These are a bit. Some of these are a bit tough, actually. Yeah. They don't pop straight away. Not going to matter though, because they're for. I mean, the ones in a curry, for example, ain't going to matter at all. But it's going to be awkward to peel them. That's all. Yeah, I'm going to need a potato peeler for these, I reckon. Right, so I'll get my peeler. Okay, then that's the Kelvedon Wonder done. Yeah, on with the Hurst Greenshaft, which is over twice as many, so that only took 5 minutes. I'll just show you quickly how I was doing the tough ones. You can tell the tough ones because they don't squeeze a bit. There's one. Right, so all I do is quickly with potato peeler, just take the two spines off like that. They just pop out, just as easy, look. Maybe pick them a few days too late. Lesson learned for next year. Right. Okay then guys, just getting to the end now. And if you wonder why I do it into a little punnet first, it's because I have a quick scan for maggots and pea moth thingy maggots and worms and things. So yeah, like I said, I'm not going to bother with the Kelvedon Wonder next year. It's got to be half the yield of the Hurst Greenshaft. And yeah, nearly there. Got all sizes in there. We got bullets and cannonballs right down to little tiddlers. So yeah, they're right. Still taste like peas. I've had the odd I've had the random sample just to make sure they're not well, cardboardy, I suppose is the word. They're all right. They're all right. Yeah, make it 5, 6 maggots now then. I'll leave all of that one at all now. That's not bad out of that lot, mine. That's not bad. Cool. 3 or 4 to go. There we are then. What I'm going to do then, going to nip inside. Go weigh all these and just see what the totals were for the 2 peas. Right, back in a sec. Okay, that's quite a difference. The I've written them down here. Hurst Greenshaft, 620 grams, and the Kelvedon Wonder, 356. So, well, not quite double for the Hurst Greenshaft. And all for the same number of plants on the same trellises. Yeah, so yeah, what I'm going to do now, quickly blanch these, boiling water, 2 or 3 minutes, into cold water, 2 or 3 minutes, and leave them in the fridge overnight, start cooking tomorrow. These ones here are the Hurst Greenshaft I've saved for next year. Some of the longest ones there, they've all got, yeah, it's hard to see in the sun there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 9 or 10 peas in them. So there's no point saving the little ones because they might reproduce like that, you know what I mean? Right, we enjoyed this one, guys. Got to get indoors now. My face is getting burnt on this side. 4 or 5, maybe 4, 5, 6 pea dishes coming very soon. Hopefully next video. See what the weather's like. So I want to cook it outdoors. Take care. Catch you soon, and I will catch you on the next video.